Okay, I'll continue my video. Well, I'm over here. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes, share it. This is where I am. Look at, I'm gonna show you right there. Look at that. I'm better to describe by showing than me being in the video. But this is where we are, the shopping center. Look at this is a place called the multi-service. This is a multi-service. I guess a phone, multi-service phone right there. And this is a karate place right there. Yes. That's a karate place right there. Yeah. And this is a phone place, I guess. A phone place where they do phones. Maybe I'll get out of here. I'll go through this area because it's easier for me to show it from walking from a couple feet away from the shops. So OB and Weiss real estate right there, and this is a stuffing center right there. And then there's a restaurant called My Little Mexico. It's a tiny Mexico, I guess. Traditional Mexican food right there. And then we got the Indian Bazaar right there. Yeah, the Indian Bazaar, the ones that are the places where you can find places from India. I remember buying stuff right there before. And then this is the United Check Cashing, where people cash their checks right there. That's the Indian Bazaar right there. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't show the barbershop right there. The barbershop. That's a barbershop, and that's a PC place where they fix computers right there. So and I'm going right here, and I'm going this way right there. And this is, it looks like that one looks empty, so is this one, I think. And that one is a real estate insurance. That's for insurance for the insurance place. And this one over here says that one over there, I guess. That's a laser eye surgery laser company place, I think. And over there more businesses right there. I don't know where they are, but yes, this is where we are. And it's getting cold out here. I'm freezing. So I'm gonna go towards, that's the highway right there. That's the highway there. Yeah. Yes, it's a Wilkes Barre Boulevard, or it's called Wilkes Barre Boulevard, or 309 highway. So we know it. I know it as 309, but usually people, if you say 309, they know exactly what you're talking about. If you say Wilkes Barre Boulevard, people also know exactly. The locals will know exactly what they're talking about. And so this is it. So I'm going back now this way, and I'm gonna show you the exact same buildings. I'm gonna show you them. Look at this is the butchie place. This is what I used to show you. These are the businesses that I used to show you back there, right there. All of those businesses. And then this is this building is across from those buildings that I showed you right there. Across from those real, that's the Allstate real the insurance company, the building. And then this building right here, because I'm taking this video from the next to the avenue. Look right here. I am next to the avenue right there. That's Price Chopper. Yeah, Wilkes Barre Boulevard, Wilkes Barre Township Boulevard. So I'm walking next to the road just so I could have a better view of what I was showing you. That's the PC, the computer place repair. That's the check cashing company right there. and that's what we were looking. That's what we were looking at before. And this is the other side of the street. You see far away right there is a tire place, Coast Tires right there. And these are the names of the buildings that we were showing you right here. All of those, all the blue area. Yeah, this is the name of the buildings right there, and that's going up to Price Chopper right there. That avenue right there is going to Price Chopper, but we're not going to Price Chopper. We're staying on this area. This is where we were before. That's the karate place right there. Yeah, where they were training. And then there's the Mexican food, right? The Mexican food right there. And so so many other buildings. Mexican food right there. Yeah, and that's that light where those cars are coming out from. That's Price Chopper right there, and this is where we're coming from. That's where we were. That's where I was earlier. So I'm just making a U-turn coming this way to where I am right now, and I'll continue walking this way. No, I'm going that way. This is the building. This is between the buildings right there. I was walking between those buildings right there. That's the karate place. I was walking between those buildings right there, and there you go. That's the tire place. Costa. Its name is Coast Tires, right there. And this is another past this building over here. So we're in front of the building now. We were walking behind that building over there over there. We were walking through behind this building, but now we're in front of it, and I'm walking right next to the door right here, to the road, next to the to Wilkes Barre Boulevard, next to the highway. I'm walking next to it, and I'm going this way. Look at that's Coast Tire again, and that's Wegmans. Wegmans is very famous. Let me show you a little bit. There you go. That's a grocery store right there. It's Wegmans, and then Applebee's is also the same entrance right there. Applebee's, because you go through that light where those cars are coming this way, and then Applebee's is behind that building right there. So the entrance is right there. The entrance is right there, and then go up right there, and the road behind it, and then it'll take us right into behind that building right there. Applebee's behind that building right there. And here we go this way, and that's Price Chopper right there. That's Price Chopper, and we saw the sign. We saw from back there. We saw it from back there somewhere. That's Price Chopper, and that's Price Chopper right there. The entrance is right here with the cars going in with a car right there. So I'm saying the entrance of the avenue for those shops, like that entrance for Applebee's and for Wegmans right there. And then this shopping center right here, this little tiny shopping center. That's where I went behind that building. I went right there to show you those buildings in the back, the ones with the blue ceiling, with the blue roof right there. And I'm came back from this way, and this is the shopping center for this area right here where I'm standing. This area over here. There's a Rocco place. There's a FAM place, an empty place, and then there's Leonard Auto Tags right there. And there's an auto place where they sell cars right there. Right there they sell cars. And this is it. This is the same name as that. So it belongs to them over there, back there. And this is the entrance, the car entrance for Applebee's right there. Right there is the car entrance right there. They go right there, and there's Applebee's right there. There's Applebee's, and there's Coast Tires. Now we're almost behind Coast Tires. So we're gonna make it to this light right here. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here because I'm getting so cold. It's like 35 degrees outside. I'm gonna end this video over here. I'm gonna end it up right here in this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe, and you share it, give it likes, make comments. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? If I'm wrong, if I'm missing something, also let me know. Also your comments would help me to make things better. Likes, I only need a whole bunch of a lot of likes. Don't forget to like, because every like that you get promotes my videos a lot more. Okay, all right, thank you. Promotes everybody else's videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. All right, bye bye.